Hi guys, so I am back in my old yard, and this is the last time we're ever going to be at this house. We're getting the last few things, and yeah, we have left. We just mounted the signs down, and it's completely empty in here. There's nothing in my room. Eric can show you. It's kind of tough to leave this house when you know that you've lived here for so long. Like, this is my room. I made super many videos here. But now somebody else is going to take the opportunity to have this great view. I hope that if the person that's going to live here sees this, please take care of this house, because it's going to be a memory. Leaving the door for the last time and closing it for the last time. Going on this the last time. Hearing a helicopter here last time. So we're getting ready to leave now, and goodbye the old house. And it's probably gonna be my last spot from here if I manage to see the airplane, but goodbye the old house. We're gonna miss you.